I'm gonna catch my ass before this off. Where's Benton? What up, Team Buckhouse? My body is wrecked. It literally hurts so bad. My left knee, I can't even like walk downstairs with it. And then I had that awful back slap. Here it is. Doesn't look that bad, but that thing smoked my back. So yes, we are gonna go snowboarding today with a bummed body. But after riding, we're gonna go to Chiropractor. We're gonna go to Summit Chiropractic and Rehabilitation Center with Dr. John, dude's the man. And he's gonna like look at my knee. He looked at it not too long ago. We're gonna look at it again. Obviously get my back all worked on because my back is trashed. And yeah, like we've been working with these guys. They've been helping me since I'm an athlete and Benton's an athlete. And we do things like eat it. He's been helping us recover. So Dr. John specializes, even though he's a chiropractor, he does specialize in sports recovery and like getting you back after like a slam that's obviously not like a broken bone or anything. It's like a all muscle body torquing thing. He like fixed my rib. Like no joke, he's the reason why my rib feels better.
I think.
All right, but enough talking. Let's start heading up this mountain. Let's see how the body's feeling today, you know, and let's throw some tricks. I don't know if you guys know this, but Copper lifted all their parking reservations, so you can just show up to Copper now and riff. Definitely looks busier. Alright, one run down, the knee feels good, like the body feels good, it wasn't bad. We're obviously rocking a bunch of new gear. I'm on a Telus board because I'm demoing the Burton step-ons. If you want to see my video of should you buy the Burton step-ons, check it out right here. I did the review. Shout out to Gravity Board Shop for comping these. If you need to demo them, they're available here at Copper. But in this vlog, I'm not going to talk about the gear at all. That is for that video. But the body's feeling good. The park, we're gonna probably mess around in Peace Park just because of like new gear. I wore the long lenses. I wore the wrong lenses because Benton lost all his low lights, and so I gave him low lights for him. And so I'm over here not being able to see anything. We're gonna keep it mellow is basically what I'm saying, and then go get the body worked on at the end of the day. So let's keep ripping. He was showing the lifty that he did the trick of the day. which is really cool. It was the underflip gorilla grab, so congrats to Benton for getting free lunch for winning that. But now I'm on the channel by myself because he was showing the person at the time, and I was just like, ah, so I went up by myself, and now here I am, all alone again. Now, I used to make my videos a bunch by myself, and we might be doing that again because Benton leaves in like 2 weeks. He's gone. He's going back to work in the summer. He works all summer long, so no Benton. I need someone to ride with. Like, I need a homie. I need a film. You know what I'm saying? Like, of course we got like the ski dog, we got other people, but Benton's my #1 dude. You know, like he's my boy. I need a #1 dude. You know what I'm saying? I need a new #1. Don't tell Benton though, I'll get really mad. But you know what else sitting on this chairlift by myself reminds me of? Today's sticker shout out. We got Snow Dirt Ice Dutch with the white Evolution sticker on the snowboard, the Galaxy sticker on the helmet, and the Chipmunk sticker on the helmet. Dude, supporting hardcore. Dude, thank you so much for snagging all of those Evolution stickers. If you didn't know, we have the Chipmunk sticker. I always say Chipmunk for last run because saying last run's bad luck, and so if you want a Chipmunk sticker, those are available. And then we got Joe Everest with the Crazy Light sticker on the forehead of the helmet. Looking so sick, guys. Thank you so much for snagging Evolution stickers. Guys, if you want to support the dream or just get compliments on the mountain, snag an Evolution sticker or the hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves. Evolution merch is a guaranteed compliment. I promise you that. And then if you do snag any of it, tag me on my Instagram and I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs, but also follow my Instagram. If you're not following my Instagram, you miss out on bonus extra content. I post a bunch of bonus content, but also my stories let you know where we're riding each day. So I posted like, yo, I'm riding Copper today, and you'd be like, yo, I'm at Copper. You can come find me, dab me up, we can take a lap, we take a photo, whatever you guys want. So follow my Instagram. You can possibly find me on the mountain if you're following my Instagram. It's the best chance, you know? And there's also a bunch of bonus extra content. All right, enough talking. Let's keep ripping. Despite being in new gear today, I feel like I'm riding okay. You know what I'm saying? Haven't been a Copper in a long time. Wearing the long lenses, I can't see anything. Brand new gear. Today's shaping up good, and my body's not feeling absolutely terrible, but we're still going to Dr. John. We got to get fixed up. We got to get like the body cracked, and you guys will see. You guys see this.
Start it up.
Not gonna lie, guys, with all the traveling I've done, especially recently, because I was like, I kept saying like, oh, we're not gonna travel anymore, and I just kept traveling. It is nice to be home. The craziest part about being home right now is Bobby and Roman are in Texas still. So I am home for the first time since having Roman by myself for a week. So we can technically go anywhere and ride. We can ride and do anything. We can ride as long as we want. I can make as many videos as I want. Like, it's kind of crazy, and it sucks because I'm home and when I'm home I want to be with my family, but I can get so much work done, which is pretty nice. And on the note of film as many videos as I want, we're filming 3 videos today. The vlog you're watching now, once again, the Burton Step-On, should you buy the Burton Step-Ons video, and then 5 tips for snowboarding with the Burton Step-Ons that I used, and you know what I'm saying, like 5 tips. These days are always crazy and kind of hectic and trying to remember everything I'm saying and stuff like that. But we managed to pull it off. We do this for a living. We're professionals at this. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe so you can catch any of those videos if they caught your attention. Or I have so many other videos on this channel. I have the most snowboard videos on YouTube, period. No one's got more than me. Fact check that. I promise you, I got the most. So subscribe to the channel, binge watch some videos, and let's keep setting it. I hate this thing. Benton, I told him.
You told him what?
You're leaving me.
Oh.
I have like a whole month left of the regular season without you, and then I have a bunch of other stuff. I let them know you're leaving.
I'm so sad.
What are you gonna do this summer, man?
Work as hard as I can so I can come back and do it again next.
You might come to summer camp.
I will.
If enough of you guys come to camp, I can bring Ben out for camp. So sign up for summer camp. It's linked in the description. Come to camp. Benton will be there for the how to backflip day if you want to learn how to do a backflip. If you are like 40, 30, that's a great age to come to camp too. If you're doing your 20s, that's also a great age to come to camp. We're going to cover like intro to boxes. We're going to cover jumps. We're going to cover like if you want to do a 7 or a 9 or you want to do any of the flips that Benton can do. Come to camp. We can cover everything and teach you guys so much. It's an all-inclusive snowboard camp. It's linked in the description, buckhousecamps.com. Come to summer camp. And on that note, we got to go get our bodies like fixed up, treated up, and everything like that. So I guess we're going to save this trip, but you guys don't get to see this run because we're teleporting to the chiropractor. So 1, 2, 3. All right, guys, we're at Summit Chiropractic and Rehabilitation Center. Benton just got poked full of a bunch of needles and then got his leg microwaved. This is all layman's term for Benton's ankle's screwed up and the doctor's working on it. Dr. John, he'll be in here in a second. I'm going to show him the video of me smacking my back. And then we talked about why my knee was hurting so bad. And we've put it down to this trick right here. The nose press butter 360. I've done it a bunch. I did it a ton this year. And your knee's not really supposed to twist like that. And I was getting steezier and I was like spraying when I came out of it and all this stuff. And I just kind of grinded my knee too much. Now, it can heal and all that stuff. I just got to stop doing that trick. I got to like do it fakey a little bit. Just do it as like more of an occasional trick. Then I like, I do this almost every single run because I'm crushing my knee. So that trick, going on the back burner for a little bit. We'll do it fakey some. And it's fine, you know what I'm saying? And I got to wear a knee brace for the rest of the season. Bummer to that, but we'll be okay. And Benton's got to wear an ankle brace. And basically, we're falling apart. Snowboarding every single day is brutal on your body. And taking slams like the one I'm about to show Dr. John doesn't help.
Oh, that was good. What did you feel?
So when that happened, sharp pain in my spine, and then knocked the wind out of me. Completely. Couldn't breathe.
That was better.
I don't know what he does, Dr. John. It's amazing. My back feels 100% better. Like when I would sit like this, my spine would hurt, and then all the wrestling and pushing, it works. It's insane. So if you guys get broke off and have an injury and you're like having some like lingering pain or like that wasn't right, come see Dr. John at Summit Chiropractic and Rehabilitation. I will eventually be able to say that name smooth. These guys are insane. They're awesome. They specialize in obviously sports medicine / like is a chiropractor and everything. They do dry needling if you need that. And it's always a great time. I always leave feeling exponentially better. The knee's the one thing that we gotta like nurse, take care of, stop doing those tricks and things like that, and it should heal. And it's just nice because when I was younger, I was like, yo, I can do anything. My body's invincible, and like I would take slams and all this stuff. But now that I'm getting older, and when I take a slam, my whole body tends to like tense up a little bit more. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm turned 30 in 2 weeks. Like that's mind-blowing to me. And it is crazy how much the body changes as you get older. But just like Tom Brady and all these other athletes, as they get older, they change their routines and what they're doing and how they're eating and all this stuff. Like that's where I'm trying to go, and I hope to share it with you guys because I know like a big chunk of my audience is between 25 and 45. Like that is my core audience. Like if you're 40 watching this channel, like you're one of the many people that age watching it. So if I can help you guys recover from taking that slam off that box or when you caught that edge, like let's do it. Let's figure this out together. But these guys hook me up, so make sure you hook them up. Go check out their social media. Their Instagram is in the description. It's right here as well. Follow them on Instagram. They post a bunch of informational content that's really good, especially if you're a skier. But also, like, just check out their website, see if you need to get any work done, stuff like that. So thank you, Dr. John and Summit Chiropractic and Rehabilitation. What a sick day, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smash that like button. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. And overall, today was a great day. I'm going into tomorrow feeling better. Hopefully we can hit the east wall. We get some fresh snow. We definitely want to hit the east wall, shoot 1 and shoot 2 on the east wall. If that's not what I post, then we didn't get to do that. We'll probably just go ride some park or something. I don't know. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for watching this part of the video as well. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow with another sick video, because we're the only Snowboard channel posting daily YouTube videos.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, no. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no cliff.